Good morning. It is Sunday. Getting a late start to this weekend, sadly. Had some overtime at work yesterday, and yeah, we're only gonna get one day on this weekend, but we're gonna try to make the most of it and get as far as we can on this electrical, and then most likely power on next weekend. But we should get really far today. So yeah, here we go. It's gonna be a sprint, but let's hurry. You want to see what this looks like underneath? Victron calls out 4 inches of space on pretty much all directions around it. So we have 4 inches from this wall, 4 inches between each other, and almost 4 inches between the shunt and the sidewall of the L1 inverter. And we have about 6 inches from the front wall. So I think we're gonna be good. I'm gonna go ahead and mount these down. Alright, so that was as much as I could get done today. We are going to have to wrap up now and get ready to go to work tomorrow. It is around, you said 10?
It's 10:30.
Around, oh God, 10:30. So there's a lot to actually clean up still and then lock up. So I'm really, really happy we got this far. That means we should definitely be finished up by next weekend and have power to at least one breaker in the bus. So yeah, super exciting, and hopefully we'll be ordering a fridge soon. But we'll do a last little sweep over here for our closeout for the night. Babe, got anything you want to say?
No.
Okay. Yeah. This is the breaker panel. We got the wires ready to go in here. All our matching lengths. Get that main breaker in this week. Got all our cables to the side here. Got our flex tied down. We got our number 2 wires here and here. And then our 6 gauge is coming into the side of that already. So, well, you're looking good though. You're looking good. So, anyway, we're gonna go. See you next weekend.